Welcome back. Okay, so we have all this work done here, and we're going to use this to complete this page. Yay! So you're going to notice that we actually already did this work. Now we're just kind of polishing it up and making it look nice. So here's the question again. It reads that in 1791, President George Washington announced the nation's capital would be built on a tract of land, the District of Columbia, that was a square 10 miles on a side. All of this is just extra information. So how many square miles are planned for the District of Columbia? Well, it's a square that's 10 miles on a side. So we know that 10 times 10 equals 100 square miles. That's it. That's the answer. We already did all the work. Woohoo! All right. Now, if each state, which there were 15 states, if each state received a large open tract of land that was inside of this square miles, what fractional part of the District of Columbia would be reserved for open space for the states? So we know there's 15 parks. They're 1 square mile, which would literally be 1 by 1, right? Look, there's a park. 1 park. Boop, 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 boop. We would know that that fraction would be 15 of these out of 100. 15 of these out of 100 squares. So we can just put 15 out of 100. Oops, I made that look silly. 15 out of 100. Or we should simplify it to 3/20. Okay. Now this is something we haven't done yet. This says Elephant, I like his name, Elephant, wanted to have open land throughout the district. Shade the squares on the diagram to show where you think he may have wanted these. So there's 15 of them, right? So just pick whatever 15 squares you want and shade them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would just make sure they're spaced out, right? Because he said he wanted them spaced out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I picked 15. Have you picked 15? All right, hoping that you picked 15. I'm going to move on to our last question. Our last question says, write the part of the District of Columbia that you shaded as open space for the states as a percent. Sorry about that. We just had an announcement. We're having indoor recess here today at Mulberry. Anyway, we need to write the part of the District of Columbia that you shaded as open space for the states as a percent. So you shaded 15 squares out of 100 squares, right? 15 out of 100. What percent is that? If you earned 81 points out of 100 points on a test, you got an 81%. That's because percent means per 100, basically. So this would just be 15%. Yay! That's it. All right. That's it for lesson 1. Bye, everyone.